Do you have hands-on training? I do have. There are people who contacted me. Is someone from Malaysia. And sabi niya, gusto ko mag-start na hydroponics pero kulang sa knowledge. This is 1 year ago. And then here someone said, Marian, 5 months ago, thank you, sir, so much, sir. Do you offer online class? I am from Malaysia. So she commented in my YouTube channel. Eunice, 1 year ago, thanks for the video. Please, can I have you contact so that you can teach me online? I will pay. And we have also someone here from Malaysia. I don't have much a startup for the course. My budget is around 100 ringgit plus. For other facilities, around 300 to 400 depends. So it seems like 1,000 plus. So this is 1 year ago, 5 months ago. So I decided to make something, an online course for those who will start or those who want to learn hydroponics. Shortcut. It is your shortcut to learn. So I made this course, 39 days hydroponics harvest challenge, no foliar, plus manual, hydroponics harvest challenge manual. So there is a video and also a manual. The video is Tagalog, and then the manual is English. But next week, I will put subtitle on English for my video because I'm working on it so that other people or other, countries can see that with subtitle. I'm gonna do that next week. So here in this online course, I made this 1 hour of video from day 0 preparation until day 39 harvest. Because people just keep asking me and asking me and asking me. So I made this intentional for those people from Malaysia who are asking me, and people who are contacting me. So daily vlog from start to finish inside of this 39 days without foliar fungicide. This is without foliar. You don't spray more. No fungicide. I'm not using fungicide. And you're not using pH up and pH down. Okay? So here inside of this course, a 1 hour video course, from day 0 preparation until day 39, I will show you what I've done and what you can do. This is a shortcut for the beginner. And every technique I will be sharing in that video. So with also 39 days harvest challenge manual, and it is downloadable PDF. So you use that too. Now if you want this course, this is what you will get in this course. You have the 1 hour video from day 0 to day 39, walkthrough, daily video until harvest, plus the manual, English manual, and you watch it together and see it together. And then in the manual, I have there the option that does not that are not tackled in the video. There's an option I made in the manual. Then you can get the hydroponic starter guide ebook. It's already free here. I can give it to those who are present now, but this is additional there, plus the lifetime hydroponic farming consultant. So if you want this, you can get my farming consultant. I have 2 people now in the previous batch. So they avail this course. So we're working right now. Someone from Cavite and other is from Luzon. I forgot to put the picture because he had a greenhouse that he bought. He bought the greenhouse, this very little one. I don't know if it is UV plastic, and this plant is so leggy. And I told him about the 6 hours sunlight. And right now we're just messaging back and forth after he availed this as his consultant, farming consultant. And I'm excited for him because I'm just releasing it in just previous month and until now to those who want this kind of course, because I'm giving myself helping those who avail this course. because I want to build a testimony. People, I want to build, I'm collecting a testimony of people that I've helped through this course, to be my portfolio in the coming future. Okay? But the question, how much is there? Is it free? How much? No, it's not free, because every technique and strategies I've learned so far, I put it all here in my video. So if you're a beginner, this is like for you, like a jump start ahead of everyone, because I'm experienced more than 3 years, and I put it all here in my video course, and you will learn faster than I have learned, and you will learn faster than other who already doing farming, right? So from Malaysia, she's willing to pay me 1,000 plus the 300 to 400 ringgit. That's a lot, no, 2,000 pesos, and just to give him an online course. And for Filipino, that's a pricey. And 1,000, 2,000, no, 1,000. I don't even give for 1,000 pesos, because my heart is just to help people with free consultant. I'm just giving it for 699 pesos only. You have the whole course, 1 hour from day 0 to day harvest, just 39 days. No fungicide, no pH up, no pH down. You don't need it all. And then the manual, the starter guide, and then me as the one who would help you building it from start to finish. I'll be giving you advice to do it. And then the material that you will need in building, I will give you some advice on that. Now, the 699 pesos only is 100% money back guaranteed. It is money back guaranteed if within 39 days you cannot harvest. I bring back your money 100%. After all this method, after all this advice I've told you, this course, if you cannot harvest in 39 days and I failed those promises, I give you back your money 100%. That's my guarantee to you. So if you want that, if you want this course, please let me know. I will send the link to your email. To your email.